doing right now?
Cooking with Daddy.
You're cooking with Daddy. What are you cooking?
Pasta.
And what are you doing right now?
Watching.
You're watching?
Mm-hmm.
What are you watching for? Ooh, don't
Uh,
touch it. It's hot.
Wave boils.
You're watching the pot to see when it boils?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then what?
Um,
We're going to put the pasta in?
uh-huh.
Yeah. But right now you're watching the pot to make it boil. Yeah, there's a saying for that. You know that saying?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Do.
Do it?
No.
Are you having fun watching the pot to boil?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Thanks for helping me. I love you.